how I do my DIY taste tests. My friends, welcome back to the channel. Dan the Man here. What I need to do is a concise video on how I do my taste tests. I'm not going to do any I'm not going to muddy the waters by doing other things. So, without any further ado, okay. So here we are with two stovetop coils put into a velocity style deck with a side airflow. And it's not as hard as it's not easy, but it's also not hard. You gotta have some talent, I would think, to do this. Make sure they're going from the inside out, just like always. Then you get you a piece of cotton. Stuff it in. And you see how easy that is, right? And then after you're done with that, you pull that out, and then you put a new one in. But I am going to show you. And that's it. When you're done, you pull it out and put a new one in. Wow. There we go. Alright. Now it's tested. I pull it out, burn off the coils, and now it's ready for another piece of cotton. This is Dan the Man, my friends, signing out.